Hello. What keeps you sane in the quarantine?
That was really intense.
Really intense?
Yeah.
How's it landing in your body?
I feel tingles in my chest.
Yeah, I see you pulling back a little bit.
Yeah.
Like an animal, yeah.
I feel a little scared of you
Yeah.
with this little
Do you want to do some like resourcing to get more into social engagement?
We did not plan this.
Yeah?
Well,
I sense some resistance.
First, I don't want to be in contact with
Boundaries.
you. I don't want to be in contact with you right now. I want to be in contact with myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to feel my...
And I'm going to sense into my sense of rejection here as well.
I just want to feel my own body.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm right here. I'm still feeling playful, even though I'm sensing a little bit of rejection. Yeah. Basically, what she's regulating here, we wanted to share a gift with you because it's pretty intense. When we spend a month together, all these patterns are rubbing me the wrong way, and I'm just annoyed, no one to meet, nowhere to go, nothing to do, and it's like, how do we come back to sanity when these like crazy neurotic psychotic episodes kick in, you know? And this is where this is what we do. We don't do a lot of talking, but we do some more non-verbal stuff, which I think is universally effective.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Ready?
I feel better
Yeah?
about myself. Feel more, I feel more contained and safe in my own experience.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that, like your spine is like really like erect, and you feel like your heart is open. And,
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about you yet. There's still some boundaries, I think.
Do you want to play a little bit with that?
Yeah, we can play with this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about you guide?
Yeah, so I just share that this is like the pushing exercise that Booster and I do, and we do it either to create a sense of safety by activating the arm muscles, which is the active defenses. So my body gets a somatic sense of safety right now by feeling me take like power or charge over my experience. Ready?
Yeah. And I'm just gonna meet you where you want to be met, okay? So like I'm focusing in service on you. We're shifting.
I notice I feel open to engaging with you more.
Yeah.
I don't feel collapsed or like I need to protect myself. I feel more present and more empowered in my experience of being with you. Like, oh, yeah, I can protect myself. I can say no. I can say stop, and you'll respect that. So there's more of me can be here. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm feeling a bit playful still, and I'm curious to. There's like one more piece that I wanted to throw in there because I'm also wanting to connect a little bit. So there's one more thing that I want to try with you, where we hold hold the wrists like this, and then we have the hands, and then we find like a balance between having boundaries but also having a connection. It's like these developmental movement of stop or no, but also like grab and reach and nurture. So if you can play with, go for like what would create good feelings inside us. Yeah, I like that. It's like there's something that lights up here, and there's like almost like a flirty kind of playful energy that comes in, and so these practices are basically working along the idea of when animals feel safe, they play. And right now it's a traumatizing time. There's this overpowering threat that is inescapable, and by nature that is traumatizing. So we're all terrified somehow. What's going to happen with the world that we know? Something different is happening. It's, you know, and so how can we move from, oh shit, I'm frozen, I can't fight it, I can't flee, I'm just like, or I might even want to collapse and live in this collapsed space, like, oh no, right? How can I, regardless of what will happen tomorrow or in 2 years or 10 years from now, right now, how can I get into a somatic sense of safety using the body?
So the body is basically the container, the lens at which we're looking through life. So when I'm contracted or triggered, like in general, or in this situation, in regards to Booster, the lens which I see life through is contracted and anxious and fearful. And that's what I'm holding in my body, and that is almost the only perspective I can see from that place. So the idea behind embodiment and creating a somatic sense of safety and somatic empowerment is that we can change our reality by changing our body, by creating more space, by coming into an empowered position, by activating the defenses, the active defenses, and that can create more of a different lens through which I'm looking at life. For example, when Booster started this video and he was really intense, my animal kind of pulled away and didn't really feel like I knew I could meet that energy. But after coming back to myself, activating my boundary muscles, now there's a lot more of me here to play with Booster and to share with you this video. So.
And if you want more from what is coming, we have some really kick-ass invitations. You can join alone or with family, from your computer, from your phone. We're offering a 6-week
online somatic empowerment training and virtual community where you can share and integrate the experiences and the practices that we teach you with a community of people who's also doing them. And this was a partnered practice. So we will give you tools to do with a partner, but for example, you could also do this alone. If you have a wall, you can push against the wall and activate the active defenses with the wall or with a ball that gives more of a dynamic resistance and movement. So we will share all these practices and we'll teach you how to do them with someone or without someone, and then you'll know when you're with someone how to do them. Yeah? Let us know if you have any questions.
Thank you.